Hello? What the heck? What the heck, dude? Good morning. Where are we headed? Headed up to Christiana Mall to test drive a Model Y. What do you think, Parker?
I know it in the sky.
What? What do you think about test driving a Tesla?
I do want to do that too.
Do you know that the screen in the middle is really, really big and shows you navigation all the time?
Yeah.
I think that my son Parker is going to be obsessed with the screen in the middle. We'll see. The wife just wants a 3-seater, 3 rows, 7-seater. We were supposed to leave at 7, but I wasn't ready, so we left at like 7:20.
Daddy. Give me this. Daddy, can you give me this?
Talk into the camera.
Hi.
US 13.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
How you do?
Going to look at a Tesla today.
Good to look at a Tesla today.
See if we can fit a bunch of car seats in it. We brought 3 car seats and a stroller.
In a stroller.
What the heck? Take a video.
Tesla is giggling.
Hello? What the heck? What the heck, dude? There's a trunk monkey.
On the motorway.
So we're trying to get some car seats in the Model Y.
And
You need to sit down, please.
We don't have much time, so this might be a little quick, but it looks like
You better come over
car
the
seat
trunk.
goes in through the trunk.
Watch out,
Watch your
Parker.
head, because this thing will bonk you, because we got curb here.
Please come here. Sit down.
Mom, can you give me
No,
that?
you need to sit down.
I need that. Please can you give me that? Why?
Because I'm using it.
I don't think there are car seat anchors in the 3rd row.
No.
Only the top tether,
Yep.
which is kind of an unfortunate feature that got left out, considering the back is built for kids. You
Yeah.
know? But we'll try and make it work.
I will play in the boat, Mommy.
So I guess we're just going to use the seatbelt through the behind this. This is a Graco? What is this?
It's a Graco Slim Fit.
Graco Slim Fit. It's definitely tight back here, but we're looking for places for the children to sit. So obviously fishing seatbelts is not near as
So once you have
pleasant
it in there, it
as
won't be getting moved in and out a whole bunch.
anchors. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that.
It covers the cup holders.
It looks like it does.
Okay.
It does have the safety retract on the seatbelt if you pull it all the way out.
Okay. Doesn't have to be like perfect, Jimmy. We're just taking it for a ride. It's gonna be about 10 minutes by the time we get all these car seats in there.
I think you could fit 2 slim fits back here, but it'll be tight. It'll be quite tight.
At the top, yeah. Why is it up so high in the back?
I think that's where I had Parker set it at.
Well, that's gonna hit the trunk.
Alright, I got some kids loaded. The wife's gonna move up to give Parker all the way in the back some more room.
There's lots
Like-
of leg room up here.
Yeah. Don't try to like. Is that comfy?
I'm comfy. This is what I would do in our car.
Okay. So then she moved up a little bit. How tall are you, Shelby? 5'7". So this is a Chico baby carrier.
Upside down.
Yeah.
Look on the wheel.
Oh wow, yeah.
It gives them some leg room.
Hi.
The third row definitely doesn't have much leg room.
Daddy, can you give me?
Basically none, unless you add it.
Daddy, can you give me that one?
Show everyone how much leg room you have.
I have a lot.
Show everyone how much leg room you have.
And I have a lot.
That's not very much. It's a little tight even for
Yeah, that's pretty
a
tight.
4-year-old.
Yeah, that's pretty tight for a 4-year-old.
Now we can move up just a little bit. It does tilt and give you access to the back. With
I
the
want
space
to
in here.
show you how much. And
Look.
That's good.
It's a lot easier if you don't have a passenger up front where you can slide that seat most of the way forward. How much foot room do you have now, Parker?
a lot.
Well, not really.
Hey, I can't see the navigation.
That's pretty cool though.
That is nice. You can put the middle thing down. So you put your seatbelt on quickly.
The cup holder fits the big Awala though.
Does it?
Just
I don't have
barely.
mine. It won't fit mine then.
No.
Bummer. This is sponsored by Awala.
So where is the Taylor Swift category? Top stations?
This is not important.
It's kind of important.
But you can put anything you want.
I don't know where this
What this music is?
where it comes from. There you go. You're welcome.
Hello? What the heck? What the heck, dude?